Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Monday, February 7th, 2022. Friday was the non-farm payrolls report day. We had a wild session, about 90 points of range, with a strong rally that took place right in the middle of the day and then a late afternoon sell-off. So we ended up closing around the middle of the range after giving back a good portion of the gains that were made early on in the session. And what we're going to be looking at this morning is what has happened following that non-farm payrolls report. So let me go ahead and get this set up. I've got all four instruments selected. The setup is based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, we are trading a little higher in the overnight session. I'm going to add that by going to the opening filters, clicking on Gap Up. The next thing I'm going to do is put us in a similar market environment. We closed above a 10 and 200-day simple moving average. And then lastly, I'm going to go to the Market Events library and click on the active today for the day after non-farm payrolls report. That's right here. It comes from our day after market events. If I scroll down a little bit, there it is. You'll see it. It's been selected. It's got the equal sign highlighted there. All right, now I can click View Results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when you gap up the day after the non-farm payrolls report in a bull market environment. Historically, we've got 62 samples on this day for the S&P, 72 for NASDAQ, 68 for the Dow, 55 for the Russell. Win rates on them all skewed a little bit more towards the upside. S&P the weakest of the group at 55%, the NASDAQ coming in 64%, Dow 62%, Russell 62%. If we look at the average moves for the S&P, they're very similar in size. The average loss is just a touch larger. The NASDAQ has a larger average loss compared to its average win, as does Dow and the Russell. So all four of them at least slightly larger average losses compared to their average wins, but all four of them also have a bit of a bias towards the upside when you look at the win rates. So more often than not, it has closed above the open, but the bigger moves have been to the downside for all of the instruments. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.